Hi, my name is Jose Medina. I am from Kingsley, Kansas. I'm here at Barton Community College getting my welder certificate. Quite a few things that I originally didn't know about welding. There's a lot of techniques to it, a lot more things to it. I just like everything about it. I've always liked welding.
We offer entry-level MIG, TIG, stick, and cutting processes. By entry level, I mean you should be able to get out of here, get your foot in the door, and go take a welding test for another company.
Wade is a very awesome teacher. He's pretty chill to get around with. He tries to teach you a lot because Wade has a lot of experience out with welding. I live here on campus, yeah. The dorms are pretty nice, pretty roomy compared to some other ones I've seen. And it's just a cool college to come to. There's a lot of different things. Take the challenge and follow your dreams, I guess.